Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Tinuola right here. You're welcome. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell beside it. That way you get more content from my channel for free. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. It's always good to have you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So for today's video, we will be making party jollof rice. I'm so excited to be doing this because I've recently started making my jollof rice in this way, with this sort of method, and I find it very easy. It's like a lazy man method, but at the same time you're saving yourself from waste burning rice and spending so much time washing that pot. So this method of cooking jollof rice I think is absolutely great, and you guys can try it and let me know what you think about it. Here we have our bell pepper and onions that are chopped off. So what I'm going to do is to put this into the oven. And what prompted me to do this is because I saw, I think Sissy Jemima on Instagram where she did this method, and I think it's absolutely great. This also helps to put in that smoky taste that you would want in the jollof rice. So I'm going to put this right now into the oven. So we're going to leave it there for a few minutes, and in the meantime I'm going to sort out the chicken and stew. If you guys know any tricks or tips on dicing onion, and if not like making you cry, let me know in the comment box below. It makes me cry a lot and I don't like that. The next step is to fry our tomato paste, and I'll be using this tiny small tomato paste. Right, so I'm going to add some garlic, and then we can go in with everything else. Bit of water. This is the nut cubes that I'm using. I'm going to add a little bit of nutmeg. This is totally optional, but I just love the taste of nutmeg. We're going to cover this and let it cook for about 5 minutes to 7 minutes. You need to cover this because everywhere is going to be messy. As you can see, it's beginning to splash, and you don't want that in your kitchen. I already cooked this chicken yesterday, and I separated the chicken from the stock meat. So I'm going to add the chicken to this stew, the jollof stew, and I'm going to let that also cook in. I like to add the chicken to the jollof stew so that the chicken would come out, with that stew taste, and to have some stew on it instead of just frying the chicken directly. I don't like to fry the chicken separately and eat it separately. It just tastes dry that way, and also, I prefer this method because that way I use less oil. Cover it back and let that cook for another 5 minutes. So it's time to take out the chicken from the pot, and I'm going to set that aside. So I'm just going to remove the chicken like so. I set that aside. The chicken is done. Shake off excess stew from the chicken. Alright, so we have our chicken, we'll set that aside. foil. So you need an aluminum foil like this foil pan, and we're going to add all that mixture inside it. Just pour it right inside like so. I told you this method is very easy. It's like a lazy man kind of method. I have this rinsed rice and I'm going to add it directly inside this. So we're going to use the foil to cover the rice, like so. So guys, for the plantain, I'm going to show you how I will be making the plantain. If you are Nigerian watching this, I'm pretty sure you're familiar with this, what I'll be doing right now. It's called bole. But the difference is I'm using a very ripe plantain. I'm going to slice it, like this, like the way you would slice a plantain that you want to fry. But instead of frying it in a hot pot with oil, in order to minimize my oil usage, I'm going to put it in the oven and it's going to roast a bit. That's what we call bole. So I'm going to add some salt to it, just a little bit of salt, nothing too much, and mix all of that together. So look at what I'm using. I'm using this foil sheet, and I added a little bit of oil. You can also use butter for this, a little bit of canola oil on this to make sure the plantain doesn't stick on it. So now you want to place your plantain on this foil. Our rice and our plantain. "30 minutes after, and I brought it out of the oven to check if it was soft enough, and can you guys just see how this looks? Can you see the smoke coming out of it? Like, this looks absolutely fantastic. And if it's a little bit dry for you, you can always add water or add a little bit more butter. Alright guys, so this is what the final result looks like. As you can see, this is a yummy jollof rice with chicken and plantain. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment box below. If you try out this method, let me know in the comment box below. I can't wait to dive into this. You can see the smoke coming out of it. It's still pretty hot. And let me know in the comment box below what you think about the video. Please give this video a thumbs up to support my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell below, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to check out my other videos guys. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye people.